Saturday, more than 20 life-saving health screenings for free. And Renee Mahaffey Harris, Executive Director of the Health Gap, joins us with a preview. Renee, thanks for coming in this morning.
Well, thank you for having me, Bob.
Well, hoping for some great weather, because I know it's going to be taking place in Washington Park next weekend. So what can people expect when they come out?
Well, they can expect activities that include, as you've already said, 20 different free health screenings for both adults and children.
That's great.
There'll be fitness demonstrations in the gazebo at Washington Park all day. Different types from Tai Chi to Zumba, yoga. Then there will be a children's pavilion with activities for kids. There'll be a stage where there'll be different types of performances promoting healthy living.
Okay.
As well as nutrition and physical activities. Over 600 volunteers make this event possible.
That's wonderful.
And then there will also be health exhibitors, different types of health information. There'll be food, some healthy. There'll be the wobble.
Wait a minute, the wobble.
The wobble.
Talk to me about the wobble.
Well, last year we went after breaking the Guinness World Record for the longest wobble line, and we didn't break it.
Okay.
But this year we're inviting everyone out to join us because we're going to be in the Guinness World Record.
You got to get your wobble on.
That's right. Come out and join the wobble in the afternoon, and then we'll close the day with entertainment from Confunction.
Nice.
And it's just a day of fun for the entire family. Wow, these screenings really take a labor of love and volunteerism from our local hospitals, from many health organizations. And you know, this year we just recently launched a campaign on health inequities, the health disparities that unfortunately cause minorities to die far too soon, more so than the majority community. And these screenings are life-saving.
Yeah, well, let me ask you, were you surprised at the turnout last year? Last year you had some 10,000 people. Were you a little blown away by the numbers?
We were surprised. But what we found is a free event.
Yeah.
And what that told us is, you know, when you take away all the barriers and you open up access, you know, people want to know how they can live their lives more healthy and how they can save their lives. And that's what people are coming out to get an opportunity to do, and obviously they want it.
Yeah.
You know, when you take the step to get on the bus or carpool with someone or walk over to Washington Park, that means that you're taking that first step towards improving your health.
And it's such a great point, because I think a lot of times we just assume people aren't doing this test and that test because they don't want to. You know what I mean? I don't have enough time, or I don't want to do it, but there is a demand for it, obviously.
Exactly. And when you remove those barriers and you make it simple, you're coming out for fun, and hey, while you're out having fun, you can get a screening.
Yeah, and let me ask you this, do people need to pre-register? Is there anything they need to do before they come out?
No pre-registration.
Okay.
Just come on out. I'll say the door's open, but you can enter the park.
They're always open in Washington Park.
But you can enter the park at 10 o'clock.
Okay.
Screenings will take place from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. and we'll close the day out at 5 o'clock with entertainment from Confunction.
That's
so
wonderful.
everyone come out and
enjoy.
And
got the information up on the screen there. Well, Renee, thank you so much for coming in.
Thank you for having me.
It's out at Washington Park, and we'll be keeping our fingers crossed we get some more great weather like we had this past weekend.
Thank you.
All right.
Thank you very much.